Good evening, my dear students. So, in this class, we will discuss about the next topic of your 4 regarding the concept regarding the how to construct the cam profile in a flat surface of the roller. Okay. So here we are considering the flat phased spillover with that simple harmonic motion. Okay, here you can see the simple harmonic motion is given, the velocity of the simple harmonic motion, and the flat phase spillover is there. Okay, so now I am starting this explanation of this problem. Make sure to give me the attendance while completing this video. Okay, a cam is, the question is saying to you, a cam drive a flat reciprocating follower. Here the flat reciprocating follower. If the question is saying the flat phase follower, it is sufficient, but sometimes the question will say the flat reciprocating follower. Okay, how it is there, you know very well how the shape will be there. This is your flat surface. Okay, this is your flat reciprocating follower. The surface of the follower is flat, so it look like this only. Okay, so I am explaining the problem. A cam drive a flat reciprocating follower in the following manner during the first 120 rotation. This is the rotation of the outstroke is given here, and the follower move outward through a distance of 20 mm. 20 mm is the length of the height of the follower is given here. Okay, and then after that 120 mm of cam rotation. This is 120 degree of cam rotation is your dual condition. You know very well, after the outstroke the dual condition will be there, that is a constant period while the follower will move at a surface of the cam. Then after that the return stroke will be there, that is your here the question is saying the follower dual for the next 90 degree of the cam rotation. Okay, you can see here 120 degree is given for the outstroke. Okay, and the return stroke, the question is not given here 30 degree, so you have to minus this value. First, during the first rotation is given the question, this is your outstroke and this is your height of the follower. Okay, then after that 120 of the cam rotation. Here the 120 move outward through a distance of 20 mm. Then 120 of the cam rotation. It means the follower will goes to the 120 degree at the highest point, and it will come at same degree in the return stroke. That is the thing is saying the question here. Okay, while you are understanding the question, you have to concentrate. The next the question is saying the follower move inward with the simple harmonic motion. Here the question is saying the simple harmonic motion condition is there, not a uniform velocity. Then after that the question is saying the follower dwells for the next 90 degree of the cam rotation. Means after the return stroke, this is your return stroke value. Okay, this is your outstroke value. This is your height of the follower, and this is your after the return stroke the remaining dual nature is 90 degree is given. Okay, the minimum radius of the cam is 25 mm is given. Okay, draw the profile of the cam is asking. Okay, here there is nothing is asking about the displacement, maximum acceleration and maximum acceleration and velocity and angular displacement, like this nothing is asking here. Okay, next we have to solve this problem. Okay, so how much we will take the dual condition after the outstroke? Dual condition will be there, so we have to minus this plus, first we have to add this 120 plus 120, we will get 1, 240 plus 90, we will get here 330. 360 minus 330, we will get the value is 30 degree. So the 30 degree is the dual condition. Okay, here I am written in that given radius of the cam is given 25 mm, outstroke of the follower is given 120 degree, the length of the follower is given 20 mm, and theta d, this is I am writing here 30 degree, while I am minusing from these degrees, I am getting here 30 degrees. The total will be there 360 degrees of the rotation of the cam. Return stroke is also same 120 degree, and the dual remaining is 90 degree. Then after that I constructed the displacement diagram. So you know very well how to construct the displacement diagram. Okay, and that simple harmonic motion, the curve will move like this and it will come to the original point. So see the cursor how I am going to the upward direction. Like this the follower will move in upward direction at a maximum height of point, and it will go to the constant in the dual nature, then it will come back in returning stroke. Like this the one cycle will completed. So another cycle will be going on. So in that cycle these phenomena of the condition will be continuously processed. Okay, you have to write the steps of construction of this displacement diagram. You know very well how to write it. If you get one construction of displacement diagram, just now I given in the last class I am given the steps of construction of the displacement diagram. Like that, take the sentences and make yourself, then you can easily write the steps of construction. Okay, this is your flat surface follower. Okay, first I make the cam circle with the radius of 25 mm. By the helping of compass I make this cam profile. Okay, so this is your textbook figure. So this is not I am created, this is your textbook, but you can create this with that accurate value. You can construct this accurate value. Okay, this is your follower, and after that this degree is outstroke and 30 is dual stroke and 120 is return stroke. Okay, what are these lines? These lines are half of the figure of this flat surface. So just we are draw that lines to know how the follower will move on the surface of the cam profile. Okay, if you are not drawing means you will not be lose your marks also, these lines. Okay, same the concept is there like that, which in the last class or before the last class how to construct the cam profile we are already done, because of this is on the axis axis of the follower is on same on the axis of the cam. So that concept of the construction of the follower with that cam profile is always same. Whenever the axis of the follower and axis of the cam is on same condition, it means the construction of the cam profile will be same. Either it is flat face follower, either it is knife edge follower, or either it is roller follower. The construction of the cam profile will be same. Okay, this is the steps of construction I wrote down here. You can read and understand about this steps of construction, because I already explained the steps of construction of the axis of the follower is on the same axis of the cam. I already explained in the last class that steps of construction and these problem steps of constructions are same, but the alphabets and numbers are different. Okay, you can easily understand this. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Make sure to give me the attendance in that comment section, and I will be forward to you in that group my notes, handmade notes about this topic 3 and topic 4. Okay, and prepare well for your internal mid exam too. All the best for that.